Yo, what's up guys, Ceebz here. So I just finished my Kauai video. I'm so excited to share it with everyone. It was a great distraction over the past couple months. We actually went to Hawaii right before COVID kind of broke out. So it's a very good distraction during lockdown and everything, just to be able to work on this content and travel in my mind, if you will. So this video, we did things a little differently. Normally it's, very heavy visuals, transitions, whatnot. I really wanted to bring everyone more behind the scenes and really see what it was like. This trip was a little different. I actually went out to Hawaii for a conference and went out a couple days early just to get some cool content. Always wanted to go to Kauai, knew it was gorgeous. So we booked it and I really didn't do any homework until we got there. Even you'll see on this trip, we just got into a lot of situations that we definitely did not plan for. So I hope you guys enjoy. Be sure to like and subscribe, if you do. Also comment below, let me know what you really think of this and this kind of style. If you want to see more behind the scenes vlogs, definitely would love to do that. If you guys want to see more tips on photography, definitely would love to do that. Just let me know below. That's it guys, I'll see you later and enjoy.
Having lots of fun right now. Look at this mud trails all the way up.
A little warmed up. So we're about an hour hike in. Ceebz is going to look for more vantage points, but I think we found the most vantage of the points. So apparently this is a good idea too. Use the belt. But look at that view.
Check this out. Completely foggy on that side. Completely insane on this side.
Jungle Ceebz. Feeling good. Oh. Yeah, buddy, give me a stick tap.
Like, what time is it? 5:30?
5:36.
5:36 in the morning. We're about to
Embark on a hike. And it's freezing out, so
It's so
I'm
cold.
wrapping a hoodie and a towel. So we're really good at preparing for really cold cold adventures. We don't know what to expect. Alright, let's do this. Which would be rocky.
So it's starting to get a little light. Rail rooster. Chickens are definitely a flightless bird.
For some reason, they can fly.
When we get service, we're gonna Google search this Ceebz.
For sure.
Yeah, I mean, I would think they would be able to jump between 6 feet in the air.
Logic tells you that they don't. I'm just trusting my gut, and that's what we're saying.
They can't fly though. It's not possible. The man's stuck. Watch me influence this grain. Yep. I'd say a lizard probably got to that one.
What?
Holy shit. Oh my god.
What?
Dude. Oh, damn. Whoa. It's like giving me a dolly zoom.
Wow.
So that's the ridge that you hike down to. Holy shit. Oh. I know, man.
Be careful.
I know.
You can see the ridge line that goes, and then both sides. Holy crap.
Tell you, I don't love heights. But this is fucking insane.
This is insane. Oh yeah.
So you want to be an adventure photographer, do you now?
Finished. We're still alive, so like I'm pretty stoked on life at this moment. I knew it was sketchy when I tossed a rock off the edge and I never heard it land. Nothing dangerous about today. If anything, the risk was managed quite highly. We said be careful a lot, so that's like the number one rule when it comes to safety.
That's chicken right there.
He probably flew in from out of town.
Like there's no way he flew all the way from the ground up into there.
Is you rolling? Is you rolling? Is you rolling? Is you rolling?
Wish I might be. Wish I might be. Wish I might be. Wish I might be.
Girl, he geeked up. Girl, he geeked up. Girl, he geeked up. Girl, he geeked up.
Wish I might be. Wish I might be. Wish I might be. Wish I might be. Yeah.
Go ahead, read it. Go ahead, read it. The chickens, they can fly. Can fly, just not very far. Depending on the breed, chickens will reach heights of about 10 feet and can span distances of just 40 or 50 feet. The longest recorded flight of a modern chicken lasted 13 seconds.
13 seconds of flight, dude. That's longer than the Wright brothers' first flight of all time.
A chicken can fly longer for.
Penguins can't fly though.
That wasn't the argument.
I smelling like a pound of purple. Gucci showtime. Give me 5 more minutes on a cold orange juice, cause I'm really, really tripping. Went to the script. up club and requested I'm the man. The next thing you know, I was throwing rubber bands.
Is you rolling? Is you rolling? Is you rolling? Is you rolling?
Bitch, I might be. Bitch, I might be. Bitch, I might be. Bitch, I might be.
Girl, he geeked up. Girl, he geeked up. Girl, he geeked up. Girl, he geeked up.
Bitch, I might be. Bitch, I might be. Bitch, I might be. Bitch, I might be. Yeah. I'm telling me she ain't never sucked a d, never took a pill, or never ate a beat. You alive, but I ain't gon' get upset right now. But I wish I had a lie to take a test right now. You say you married